proud to say that 1980 batch has given us very good today. Good day today for us, glorious day for us. And in those days I am the junior teacher and I appointed in 1978, 79. So all familiar, only girls. When I see the boys, I used to get too much fear. So, Jayalakshmi Madam told me once, I'm hiding in the back of our madam. Madam, I'll take only girls, not boys. Because in those days, they're very mysterious. Rashid. Last time, Rashid is not Rashid. I'm getting too much fear. And girls cooperating once they are saying, okay, we went to that old building up there. And he throws a ball. That ball came to my stomach. 3 days I suffered like anything. The commander madam told me, okay, you take only the girls, not the boys. So in that way, I have taken this batch. Anyway, thank you very much. And you have given a very nice for the Guru. One, two are small and very Kabir Das. Guru Govind do खड़े काके लागे पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपने जिन गोविंद जी को बताए. So you have given the respect to the Gurus. So thank you very much. Showers of blessings to you all from my side. Thank you.
Since Madam has donated 1 lakh for the school fees of the children, big clap. మన ప్రజెంట్ ఇచ్చాము మన స్కూల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్ అన్ని గౌరవ మేడము చూపిస్తారు.
शिकवाना शिकायत करते हैं हम अर्ज हकीकत करते हैं. शिकवाना शिकायत करते हैं हम अर्ज हकीकत करते हैं. तकदीर बिगड़ती है ये स्कूल के टीचर बनते हैं. हो सुबह सुहानी मस्तानी, हो सुबह सुहानी मस्तानी, या शाम की दिलकश घड़ियां हो, या शाम की दिलकश घड़ियां हो, हमें हमारे चेहरे पर हर वक्त 12 बजते हैं. छोटी लगता है मगर आप के लिए नहीं है, ये अच्छे जमाने में जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए है।
नहीं,
और ना
बच्चे
आप
तो-
लोग तो बहुत अच्छे थे, बहुत ओबिडियंट और बहुत कुछ गवार, बहुत फ्रेंडली, किसी किस्म का वो नहीं था। तो अब जो टीचर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ज्यादा हुआ।
आप भी बहुत फ्रेंडली थे, मैं कभी नहीं मारा।
कभी
अब अच्छा ड्राइंग सिखाया बात
मेरा नाम आ गया। मेरा सिलेबस जो था पॉइंट से शुरू हुआ, हर एक फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चे भी पॉइंट क्या है उनको डाल के बताया तो बताते हैं पॉइंट है या तुक्का बोलते थे। फिर और एक पॉइंट डाल के 1 नंबर डाल के दूसरा पॉइंट डाल के दोनों को मिला के बिल्ला में क्या है, तो जब बोलते थे बच्चे लाइन है, फिर लाइन से हमारे बच्चों को फर्स्ट क्लास के बच्चों को सिलेबस, मेरा सिलेबस से क्या था, बस एक लाइनिंग से स्टार्ट होता था, नीडल और ए लिख के बीच में से लाइन डाल के एरो, बिल्कुल छोटा सा लाइनिंग से शुरू करी,
हाँ, वो
सर्कल से लाइन
सर्कल के ऊपर इंटू
मेरा सिलेबस फाइनेंस से कुछ लाभ नहीं है।
सर्कल इंटू
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू।
Between the student and the teacher has vanished. Now it has almost come to a nullified point, I should say. Now you are children, so you are always children. And you have chosen a very good day, I should say, and a memorable day, called as Mother's Day. So whether it's befitting to me or not, that's a different thing. Today morning, of course, one of my relatives, but she was my student also, she dared to wish me, saying that Happy Mother's Day. So I told, how is it you are wishing me? Why not? You are after all my mother. So I said, I don't simply say mother, I'll add a prefix to it, saying that I am a foster mother. So I don't know how far it is apt, but still I feel whatever we have done to you is very, very nominal. And today you have magnified it and projected it in such a big camera and I think screen, whether we are eligible for it or not. The thing is, we were teachers. The other day, very recently, I had gone through a mail saying teacher versus guru. So teacher's level is something, just only to guide and to teach classroom, that's all, and guide you to the material world. But today, your prayer has told me that you have elevated us not from an ordinary teacher, but to a level of a guru. So the moment you said prayer, I was really very, very astonished and very happy, I should say. My children have gone too far, not materialistically, but also spiritually. The other day, some of the students, when they came to me, I think I brought them with a lecture of my own style. But still, they said, Madam, it is not like that. You have given us something else other than classroom teaching. So, I feel whatever as little bits of seeds we have sown in your mind, they have grown into a tree. And it is for you to take the branches and spread it. And I am very, very happy and I applaud all of you the way you have conducted this. And today, the other surprising thing is, because boys, they don't do much work. It's a fact. Very few only we can count them on fingers. But today, all of you have equally shared your job. You came, you gave the gifts and then you packed everything, just like the daughters. So sons and daughters are no way, they are different. They share equally. And another doubt I had when I joined, I was only 20 years and I didn't know anything. I was very scared of boys. So I had a doubt, if I teach these boys, will they be affectionate first of all? At least people say girls education, girls students, they will be very affectionate, very concerned and all. And when I entered the classroom, more than girls, boys were there, I was really scared. But what to do? I am supposed to teach a 6th class and a 4th class. But even 4th class and 6th class also, for me they are voice alert. So how to handle them, how to do, what to talk. And really after few years, I came to know all that is an illusion to me. Boys are more concerned, more affectionate, and today you have proved it. Because that's not that you are not, you are there. It is the inborn capacity and the talent for the daughters. They are affectionate, they are concerned. If the daughter is not like that, it is an exception. But the sons are like that, it is something really wonderful, I should say. When we had gone for the excursion, they used to be after me. Madam, who will pack your luggage, madam? Who will take care of you, madam? I said, somebody will, why are you bothered? No, we are not going to leave you like that. See, madam, tell us where is your bag. We will put the bag into the bus and we will get it down. And do you expect for a teacher like that? Today, every day I think of you like anything. And the boys are so concerned, so affectionate, and I have no words to share with you or explain. It's all beyond words, I can say. I can't even describe. So today you have proved you are more than what I expected, and I wish God should bless you with all prosperity and good fortune. Thank you all very much. All of you need a lot of appreciation for what you have done. Thank you very much.
ఎందుకు ఇంత చేసి ఇంత ఆనర్ చేశారు అంటే మీకు మా ఎడలో ఉన్న గౌరవం, ప్రేమ, ఎఫెక్షన్ అవన్నీ మీరు తలుచుకుని చేస్తున్నారని తెలుసు. కానీ వన్ థింగ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సే, రీసెంట్ గా మా హస్బెండ్ చనిపోయారు. వీ వర్ ఇన్ గ్రీఫ్. మా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అంతా ఎవరు పట్టించుకోవడం, దానికి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళని పట్టించుకోవడం అదంతా లేదు. కానీ మన స్టూడెంట్స్ తెలుసుకుని ఏ బ్యాచెస్ వాళ్ళు అన్నా కానీ వాళ్ళు బ్యాచెస్, నేను పిల్లలందరినీ కూడా చూడలేకపోయాను. అందరూ వచ్చారు, రాత్రంతా నాతో ఉన్నారు. మార్నింగ్ లేచి బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, లంచ్, డిన్నర్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దే హ్యావ్ అరేంజ్. ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఎవ్వరూ పట్టించుకోలేదు. దే హ్యావ్ డన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. నాకు ఎంత దుఃఖం వచ్చిందంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ రియల్లీ an answer for teachers job. అన్ని స్కూల్లో జరగదు, అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ చెయ్యరు అట్లా. నా పిల్లలే ఇలా చేశారండి. ఎంత చాలా నిజంగా ఐఎమ్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రియల్లీ, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఆనరింగ్ అస్, ఫర్ షోయింగ్ కన్సర్న్ when anything arises. Really you are coming forward and you are telling us, madam, we are with you, you don't worry, consoling us. Really, I am so happy, and this much I want to share with you. Thank you.
మీరు మా పట్ల, you are one of our most affectionate teachers who showered love and affection more than subject. Subject అదే వస్తుంది, చెప్పినా మెల్లిగా అదే వస్తుంది. We wanted love and affection as children. So I still remember certain things remain. In 6th class, when we were in 6th class, madam was going on maternity leave. So one day she came to our class and she cried. He said, "Hold on, Nelu. Next 3-4 months I may not come. I will see you after a very long time." And she cried. I don't know. We also cried. Yeah, still remember. That was her affection. How it cannot be repaid by him. Thank you very much.
The extended family. You won't share who else will?
అర్థం కావట్లేదు, ఎందుకంటే చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది. మీరందరూ కలిసి ఇంత ఇదిగా మమ్మల్ని ఆలోచన చేసి అసలు ఇంత చేయడం కూడా నాకు కూడా ఎందుకో చాలా ఎందుకో పాపం ఇంత ఇదిగా ఖర్చు పెట్టి చేస్తున్నారే అని అనిపిస్తుంది. తర్వాత మన పిల్లలందరూ కూడా రోడ్డు మీద కానీ, గుళ్ళో కానీ, ఏ ఫంక్షన్లో కానీ కనిపిస్తే మాత్రం తప్పకుండా వచ్చి మాట్లాడి చేసేవారు. తర్వాత ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే, మా అమ్మాయి చూసి కుమార్ మేడం కూతురు కదా నువ్వు అని అడిగేవారు ప్రతి చోట. అంటే
తన కోరిక నాకు ఉందేమో మరి నాకు తెలియదు కానీ అన్నీ అలాగా గుర్తుపట్టి చేసింది.
మీరు మాకు చెప్పేటప్పుడు అలానే ఉండేవారు.
కాబట్టి తర్వాత ఒక అమ్మాయి ఏమో నన్ను మేడం మీరు ఎందుకంటే అలాగే ఉంటారు, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్.